what we do here is go back.
What is up, YouTube? So a couple of weeks ago we purchased our drone, the Mavic Pro DJI Platinum. I was so excited to get it. It was one of the first ones to arrive in New Zealand. We took it out for its first flight at the DJI Fintech event. 1 week later, I brought it out here to take some footage of the ferry building, and it was attacked. It was attacked. It was attacked, and it ended up on this building right behind me. This is the story of what happened in that attack.
I know this footage is a little bit long, but please bear with it. There were a couple of days that I thought that this would be all that's left of this $2,000 drone. I just didn't have it in my heart to cut any of this.
Unfortunately, I couldn't bring it upon myself to take some footage on the day of. My emotions, I know a true professional YouTuber would have put the emotions on the side and just taken the footage anyway. I couldn't do it. I'm not on that level yet. But if I was going to reenact it, this is probably what it would have been like. Common seagull. You might think it's a harmless animal. It's not. It's a vicious drone attacker. He's looking for the next drone. So yeah, word of advice to all you guys who are planning on taking your drones out into a beach area, be careful, because these guys will attack. These guys will attack your drone, and your drone will fall into the water, or onto a building, or onto the ground and break. So be careful, guys. Be careful, drone. So after everything, managed to get the drone back. It was an extremely traumatizing 2 days. I gotta say a massive shout out to the wharf security and also to Planet Ice Cream, the lady from Planet Ice Cream who helped me out so much, knocking on doors, asking people, writing notes, writing posters. After the end of that 2 days, it was all worth it because we got it back. Yeah, only a couple of little minor damage on the drone, just this tiny little scratch over here, tiny little dent in the butt as well. Not even sure if you can see that. It's just this tiny little thing. All the propellers were pretty mangled, but luckily came with spares. Just had to put them back on, rehook the gimbal, and we were off. So I've been a little bit traumatized to fly this thing again ever since it got attacked by the Seagull, but you know what? We got to overcome those fears and we got to learn to fly again. So let's go and do that right now. Now, since the first Seagull attack, this is the first time I've been back out here. I'm about to take the drone up. Hopefully I don't get attacked again. But I thought the best way to overcome my fear is to take this drone up in an area near the beach one more time. Maybe I'm a slow learner, I don't know, we'll find out. Let's go. Honestly, that was pretty scary. There was a seagull call at one point and I just froze and I was like, holy shit. I got over that initial fear and then I took it up. Hopefully you enjoyed that footage. Yeah, if you like what you saw today, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to as well. See you next time.